Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add name servers of Hostinger into GoDaddy domain name. So this is my GoDaddy account. I have logged in and this is my Hostinger account. So now first we need to find out what actually name servers Hostinger is using. So come to the after login in the home page, you will see hosting option. In that hosting option, click on manage. Here in the left sidebar, you will see hosting. Click on that and click on plan details. Here you will see hostinger name servers. We need to add these name servers to our domain name, which is in GoDaddy. So now I want to add name servers of hostinger into saifosys domain name. So click on this domain name. Wait for some time, it will load. Now click on domain, click on manage domain. Then click on name servers and click on change name servers. Here check this, I will use my own name servers and we need to provide name servers of hostinger. So I will copy one by one and paste it here. Then click on save. Click on continue. Here you will see success message. Your request is in progress. Click on refresh. Here you will see new name servers.
Like this, we can add Hostinger name servers to our GoDaddy domain. Hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe my channel for more tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.